Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find old tweets on X. So the first step you need to do is to open X. And once you open, here you need to click on the search icon and click on search. First you need to add the name of the person. Once you added the name, then you need to give a space and then you need to click on since semicolon and then you need to add the year from where you want. So I want from 2021. So you need to add month and date. Once you add it, you simply need to give space again, click on until, and then you need to add colon again, and here you need to add the closing date. So I'm going to add 2021, then month, and then the last date, that is 31st, and then you need to click on search. Once you done that, you can find all posts of that person from this range. So this is the process that you need to follow. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.